In this video, I am going to show you how you can connect your Solana wallet to the NodePay, alright, airdrop. So you don't joke with it. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe and please make sure you follow me on X and join my Telegram channel. When you check the first comment, you're going to see my top 15 Telegram crypto projects. Make sure you join all. My best is just coin. If you fail, now your own problem. Oh. Those who want to learn how to create an email server, I'll leave the link at the description. Go and learn how to create your own SMTP to send your own bulk emails. Alright, yes, you can send more than 20k emails per day, right? So go and check that course on Udemy out, right? So I'll leave the link of this website at the description. If you are new, just click on it, register. Very simple. Okay, I have made a video on that as well. All right, so the connection of the wallet is very important and is going to end very soon. So make sure you connect your wallet as fast as possible, right? Because they are going to do a TGE, all right, and they are going to base on the season 0 and the season 1. So if you just joined in season 2, then you don't have to worry at all. But if you join in season 0 and season 1, you have to connect your wallet, and I'm going to walk you through the process very easy way. All right, so all you have to do is just click on the earnings section. All right, so you can see wallet connection. All right, so if you watch my previous video, I taught you how you can verify your email as well. All right, so I've already verified my email and I've gotten this verified, checked. You understand? So the next thing is to connect my wallet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on connect wallet, and you're going to connect your Solana wallet. Okay, so you should have a Solana wallet, right? So you can either copy your Solana address at this section, or you can click on any of the Solana wallet over here. So you can use Phantom, Magic Eden, Soulflare, BitGet, Coinbase, or whatever. For me, I am going to use Phantom because that's what I prefer. So I'm going to click on the Phantom. So those who want me to create a video on how to create a Phantom wallet, leave it at the comment section and I'm going to make a video on that for you. All right, so I'm going to enter my password, then click on unlock. All right, so I'm going to click on connect. Then you can see connect Phantom successfully, right? So I'm going to click here and I'm going to click on verify. Then I'm going to click on confirm here. Then you can see sign message successfully. So that is it. So wallet is verified. Okay, so now we need to confirm our wallet. So I'm going to click on confirm here. An email will be sent to your email address, okay, so that you confirm your wallet connection. So I'm going to click on send email, and you can see it has been sent. So I have to visit my Gmail. So as you can see, the first email, okay, no reply, confirm your wallet connection. I'm just going to click on it to open. Then you can see confirm your wallet. So I'm going to click on that. All right, so as you can see, wallet is verified, wallet connection successful. So you can check your wallet address to compare if this is your wallet address. So what I'm going to click on my Phantom wallet, and you can see that this is my Solana. You can see 3FB3 and the last is EY9, right? So 3FB3 and the last one is EY9, right? That's it. So I'm going to click on return to dashboard. All right, so now let's quickly go to the earnings section, and you can see everything is verified, right? So now I took part in the season 1, I didn't take part in the season 0, so they are calculating the season 1 airdrop, and currently I am still farming the season 2. So don't joke with it. Make sure you farm this. If you are new, I'll leave the link at the description. Click on it, register, or check the description, so you are going to see my video on how to join this project, right, and be part of this amazing airdrop, just like grass, right? If you faded grass, that's your own cup of tea. For me, I earned something from grass. Thank you for watching. Leave your comment at the comment section. Please subscribe if you want this kind of videos, and let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.